Hello students, the question is an important criterion for modern day क्या Hello students, the question is an important criterion for modern day classification is A. Resemblance in morphology, B. Anatomical and physiological traits, C. Breeding habits, D. Presence or absence of notocode. तो बच्चे सबसे पहले branch of biology that deals with characterization, nomenclature and identification and classification is called taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with characterization, nomenclature, identification and classification. Now, what is classification? Classification is to find out the similarities and dissimilarities among organism and then classify them in different groups. क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है? सिमिलैरिटीज और डिसिमिलैरिटीज को फाइंड करके उनको डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में रखना. नाउ मॉडर्न डे क्लासिफिकेशन की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, मॉडर्न डे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑल्सो नोन एज बायोसिस्टमैटिक्स or new systematics given by Julian Huxley, and according to biosystematic, the living organisms are classified on the basis of their anatomical, physiological, phylogenetic relationship and more important includes all the types of variation. It includes all the types of variation among organism. organism में किस तरह की variations हो रही है. तो अब options को देखते हैं. A. resemblance in morphology. No, resemblance in morphology modern day classification का criteria नहीं था, because in morphology there is no variation. We cannot identify variation in morphology. Anatomical and physiological traits, yes, it can be a criteria of modern day classification, that is biosystematics or new systematics. Breeding habits, no, because a different organism have different types of breeding habits and it cannot be a classification criteria. Presence or absence of notocode. Notocode is present in some organism while in other organism it is not present, so it cannot be criteria for the modern day classification. The modern day classification was based on anatomical and physiological behaviors, phylogenetic relationship, and it includes all the types of variation. So the correct answer here is answer B. Thank you.